Hi, welcome to my English Learning Corner. Today we are looking at most common English words and we are specifically focusing on nouns. There will be various parts of the nouns and therefore we are focusing on part one at the moment. So let's jump right in. Nouns are words that refer to people, places, or things. And these are the most basic and most used nouns in the English language. So the first one we will look at is word. Word refers to a group of letters that present a meaning. So for example, if we say noun, this word has a specific meaning. So it can also mean that you agree with the statement that someone has made. So for example, if you say, I'm really enjoying the weather today, I can say word, which means I agree with you. In the second part, we have time. Time refers to the passing of time or how the hours, minutes, weeks, years, and months go past us. So, therefore, it refers to various methods of expressing time in different lengths. Then we have number. We have from 1 to 10. And when we mix these numbers, we get higher numbers. For example, if we put these two together, like 1 and 2, we will get 12. Or if we say 2 and 5, we get 25. So these are mixing of the 10 basic numbers that we learn about. Then we have way. Way refers to where you are going, which way. So it can be this way or that way, which way. Or it can also refer to a way of doing things. So what are you thinking? What will you move towards? We have people. People refer to any humans, male, female, doesn't matter where they come from. And people is a general blanket word to describe that we're all humans. So people are describing that we are humans. And then we have water, which is a liquid that we can drink. This is water. We also have day and night. So day refers to when the sun is shining and we go to work, we are doing things and we are achieving something. Then we also have part. So part refers to one whole thing, but then I take a piece of it away. So this piece will be a part of the hand, but it can also be removed and on its own. So then it will be a part of the hand, but this is the whole hand. Then we have sound. So as you are listening to me, you are hearing my voice. That is sound. We also have work. Work refers to perform duties regularly for wages or salary, so money. We are using physical or mental effort. So you are doing something with your body, moving around, or you are thinking and mentally active. Then we also have place, which is a location or a specific thing that cannot be moved. So we cannot take the Colosseum and put it in a different country. This is impossible. That is place. So it is a fixed place that you can go visit, or it's a fixed area that you can go see. I hope these basic words have given you some insight into how to use the English language. Enjoy your day.